As the premium counterpart in General Motors' twin truck lineup, the GMC Sierra is the go-to choice when you want more out of your ride. Customization is amazing with countless ways to mix and match cabin bed sizes, engine options, and trim levels. Stay until the end of the video to uncover 5 pros that'll surprise you and 3 cons you can't ignore on the latest 2025 GMC Sierra 1500. First, we'll check the best things about the half-ton truck. Number 5. V8 power. For truckers, a V8 under the hood is more than just an engine choice. It's a statement. Many rivals are downsizing to turbocharged power plants, but General Motors is keeping its legacy alive. If you're looking for raw power, proven reliability, and the ability to tow with confidence, both the 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter V8 engines make this truck a standout option. The smaller Ecotec V3 comes with a strong balance of capability and efficiency. This engine produces 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. A 10-speed automatic transmission is its power router. It has a towing capacity of up to 11,200 pounds, enough for hauling trailers, boats, and work equipment. The fuel-saving dynamic fuel management system allows the engine to deactivate cylinders when full power isn't needed, helping improve fuel efficiency. Nevertheless, this is a V8, so don't expect some mileage miracle. The 6.2-liter unit is there to take the performance up to another level. This engine transforms the Sierra into a beast on and off the road thanks to massive outputs of 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. Like its 5.3 displacement, the bigger brother is paired with the same 10-speed automatic. The max towing capacity climbs to 13,300 pounds when properly equipped, which makes the 6.2 unit a perfect option for serious work. It also features dynamic fuel management and its cylinder deactivation system that'll save some fuel when cruising. Number 4. Duramax Diesel. For drivers who want the best blend of power, efficiency, and reliability, the 3-liter diesel is the number one choice in the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 lineup. At a time when manufacturers are massively leaving oil burners behind, Duramax continues to refine and improve its powertrain, making it one of the most compelling reasons to buy this full-size pickup. The 3-liter inline-6 now produces 305 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque, which is a 28 horsepower and 35 pound-foot upgrade compared to the previous version. There are no direct comps with other new half-ton diesel pickups in 2025, but this engine delivers best-in-class torque, outperforming all previously available options. It makes the 2025 Sierra 1500 ideal for towing, hauling, and handling heavy payloads. When properly equipped, the truck with a Duramax can tow up to 13,300 pounds, putting it on par with the gas-powered V8 competitors. But fuel efficiency is where this drivetrain truly shines. Owners could expect highway MPG figures close to 30 mpg. That'd be a smart choice for those who put serious miles on their trucks. Beyond raw numbers, durability is one of the synonyms of the Duramax diesel. The inline-6 design ensures smooth operation, while features like a water-cooled turbocharger and a high-pressure common rail direct injection system enhance both power delivery and longevity. Unlike other diesels that were known for their noisy, rough operation, this modern Duramax runs quietly and smoothly, making long-distance travel more comfortable. Number 3. Off-roading with the AT4. The Sierra AT4 is designed for adventures, but it blends that toughness with advanced tech and a premium interior. At the heart of the package's off-road capabilities is GMC's factory-tuned suspension, featuring a 2-inch lift for improved ground clearance. Combined with Rancho monotube shocks, added height allows the 2025 Sierra AT4 to conquer rough terrain, whether it's deep ruts, thick mud, or jagged rocks. The standard 4-wheel drive system includes a 2-speed transfer case, perfect for power distribution on steep inclines. The automatic locking rear differential further enhances traction, making sure that power gets to the wheels with the most grip when conditions get tricky. Number 2. Most advanced tailgate in the market. The multipro is one of the best features the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 is offering to its buyers. It's more than just a tailgate. The innovative design transforms the way truck owners use their beds. Long story short, the multipro tailgate is a 6-function system that adapts to different needs. It starts with the primary gate that operates like a standard tailgate but adds a load stop function, preventing longer cargo from sliding out. The inner gate folds down independently, creating a second-tier loading platform perfect for stacking gear or keeping smaller items. When lowered further, the inner gate provides an easy access step. The integrated assist handle ensures stability. The multipro tailgate can be doubled as a mobile workstation. GMC also offers an optional kicker audio system built directly into the tailgate, turning the Sierra 1500 into an entertainment hub. Number 1. Spacious bed with tons of practical options. Now, let's climb into the bed and check why the Sierra is better than the other half-ton trucks. With one of the largest cargo areas in the segment and an abundance of tie-down points, this pickup maximizes usability and convenience. One of the key advantages is the Sierra's best-in-class short bed cargo volume of 63.9 cubic feet. Even with a standard crew cab configuration, you're getting more usable space than most competitors offer. If you need even more room, GMC provides multiple bed lengths, including a long bed option that extends capacity even further. The high-strength steel construction ensures durability. Securing cargo is just as important as having space, and this is where GMC goes the extra mile. The 2025 Sierra 1500 comes standard with 12 fixed tie-down points, each rated for 500 pounds of force. For even greater flexibility, the company offers movable tie-down points, and that makes a huge difference when transporting oversized or irregularly shaped cargo that needs extra stability. Spray-on bed liner is optional, and the ultimate upgrade is the Carbon Pro bed. Industry-first carbon fiber composite cargo box takes durability to another level. Unlike traditional steel or aluminum beds, the cargo bed is dent, scratch, and corrosion resistant. The new 2025 Sierra isn't perfect. After we checked its strongest points, it's time to see what are the downsides of the pickup truck. Number 3. Turbo 4 as the base drivetrain. While the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 offers a range of powerful engine options, the 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder unit remains a controversial choice for truck enthusiasts. The company uses the drawbacks configuration as an efficient and pretty capable alternative to the traditional V8 and Duramax diesel options. On paper, things seem impressive with 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. Actually, that's more torque than the base 5.3-liter V8. It also offers a maximum towing capacity of 9,500 pounds, which is respectable for such a tiny power plant. However, compared to the V8 options, the Turbo 4 lacks the smooth power delivery truck buyers expect. The smaller displacement means that the engine has to work harder, often revving higher and feeling more strained under heavy loads. While turbocharging helps compensate for the lack of cylinders, you'll notice turbo lag and inconsistent throttle response when towing or hauling. Another drawback is fuel efficiency. Truckers assume a smaller engine means better gas mileage, but that's not necessarily the case with the 19 mpg city and 22 mpg highway rating of the Duramax. Number 2. Denali isn't a workhorse. The 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali model continues the traditional luxury trucking with premium materials and advanced technology. However, for truckers, the Denali is too nice for the job sites and it feels too upscale for serious work. While GMC sells the Sierra Denali as a luxury workhorse, most owners won't want to risk damaging its premium parts whose maintenance costs extra. It was definitely the most luxurious option in the past, but when compared to rival luxury trucks today, the 2025 Sierra Denali doesn't look as premium as it once was. GMC's upscale materials and tech are impressive, but compared to the Ram 1500 Tungsten and Toyota Tundra Capstone, they lack the ultra-luxurious experience. The Denali Ultimate is a high-end version that adds a massaging driver's seat, premium leather, real wood accents, and a 12-speaker Bose audio system. Number 1. No performance-oriented Ford Raptor and Ram TRX competitor. The AT4 brings plenty of capability to the table, but serious off-road performance enthusiasts will quickly notice a glaring omission, a true competitor to the Ford F-150 Raptor and Ram 1500 TRX. While the AT4X AEV edition is the most extreme off-road Sierra available, it falls short in delivering raw power. Its 6.2-liter V8 comes with impressive performance until you compare it to supercharged V8s. The Ram TRX will supply its owners with 700 ponies, while the Raptor R bursts 720 horsepower. Even the standard F-150 Raptor with a twin-turbo V6 rated at 450 horsepower outguns the most capable Sierra. Beyond the power deficit, the 2025 Sierra 1500 lacks the extreme suspension upgrades such as 5-link rear coil system, long-travel Fox Live valve shocks, or massive 37-inch tires offered by the Ford Raptor R. The Ram TRX goes even further with Bilstein Black Hawk E2 adaptive shocks and active dampers. Meanwhile, GMC sticks to the Multimatic DSSV dampers. The Sierra AT4 offers solid performance for trail riding and rock crawling, but they lack the extreme off-road muscle that Ford and Ram bring to the table. If you're looking for a desert racing powerhouse with supercharged performance, race-ready suspension, and insane durability, the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 lineup just doesn't have an answer. Thanks for watching and see you next time.